Hello, Kadilkada! Another day, another solid finds na naman. Today, may makakasama tayong special guest na maghahatid sa inyo ng mga solid na items.
Hello mga kadilkada! I'm Heidi King. You may know me as Mommy Heidi on social media. I'm a mommy and lifestyle content creator. I share videos about life, family, home, food, travel, and I'm currently here at the HQ of Dilkada. And I'm so excited to share with you amazing finds, must-have, and solid deals. Ready na ba kayo? I'm so ready! So yung first product natin is Vinco Power Bank. So we have here a 20,000 mAh power bank from Vinco. 45 wattage na siya, which means to say, fast charging, makaka-charge po kayo dito ng laptop nyo. Of course, syempre, matcha-charge nyo din yung inyong smartphones, whether iPhone or Android tablets. At saka, you can charge simultaneous tatlong devices. So this is the lightning cable, tapos Type-C, and then eto pa. This one is braided na siya, so very flexible. At maraming kulay. White, may color, may blue, may purple. Kaya, ano pang inaantay natin? Link on the shopping button below and add to cart. At syempre, pag in-add to cart nyo, huwag niyong kakalimutan i-check out. Next item natin, 70 Mai. Actually, yung friend ko, ginagamit na niya to. Ang sabi niya, ang ganda. So, let's see kung ano ang mga features. Okay, guys. Features nito, guys, 2K na siya, QHD. So, meaning, yung kanyang resolution is 2K na quad high definition as compared to yung mga traditional natin na 1080p lang. So, ito mas clearer. Mas kitang-kita nyo yung surroundings, yung plate number, yung street roads, and all. Meron din itong seamless recording, yung na-overwrite niya yung old. So you don't have to worry. Basta continuous lang siya yung recording niya. Meron din siyang time-lapse recording, syempre para yung mga parang neutral lang or panggabihan, di ba? Kung wala namang nangyayari. So at least nata-time-lapse. So nakakasave din kayo doon ng memory. At meron din siyang smart recording wherein yung mga collision nasa-segregate niya, hindi niya na-delete. Na-amaze ako nung binasa ko yung mga features nito. The good thing pa dito kay 70 Mai, meron na siyang app. Pwede niyo siyang ma-access sa app niyo. O ano pa, syempre, as always, you know the drill. Yes, click the button below, add to cart, and check it out. And etong Tozo, so meron siyang mga something na extra, di ba? Ayan. Ay, di ba may 18-month warranty. O, di ba saan ka pa? With extra earbuds. Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita yata ng extra earbuds. No? Tapos may sizing siya. Iba-iba yung size, which is nice. Tapos parang I see here, meron siyang battery. Ang galing naman nito kasi dual mic na siya. So, pwede niyong gamitin pagka kayo may mga meeting or kunyari, may kausap lang din kayo sa phone or gusto niyong kumanta. Di ba kung anong trip niyo, may mic na kayo dito. Don't forget na i-download niyo yung app ng Tozo para makita niyo yung mga features, ma-access niyo, makita niyo anong pwede niyo pang magawa. Meron siyang 6 modes noise cancellation. So, pag di-download niyo yung app, makikita niyo doon. So, of course, you know the drill. Don't forget to click the shopping button below. Add to cart and check it out. Next item natin, your mommy's favorite. So, itong Baobab, most of the eyewear nila, napakagaan. Though plastic siya, pero this is made from acetate na merong metal framing. So, sturdy pa rin naman. The good thing here, anti-radiation siya at may blue light. So, pwede nyong gamitin habang kayo nagla-laptop, ganyan. Diba? Para may protection yung eye. Yeah? Ang ganda ha. Bet ko to. Next item natin, o diba? The color is giving. Mahilig po ako sa purple color. Favorite ko yan. Pag ito medyo kung meron kayong beach trip at gusto nyong eme-eme lang, ganda-ganda lang, o diba? Pwedeng pwede. Ay. And also guys, scratch resistant na din siya. At marami pang ibang model si Baobab. So, you know the drill. Of course, click on the shopping button below, add to cart, and check it out. So, thank you for joining me today, mga ka-Dealkada. Don't forget to follow Dealkada for more so-lit deals. This is your Mommy Heidi. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Mommy Heidi on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook. Bye! At kung nagustuhan nyo ang mga solid finds natin today, i-click lang ang shopping button na makikita sa ibaba ng inyong mga screen para makapag-check out.
Want to feature your brand? Contact us at collab@gmail.com.